guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are yet again on Uniswap. But before we get started, let me tell you guys, please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, or punch that bell button to get notification for more of these videos, which are being uploaded daily except on Sunday. And yes, now we can go back to Uniswap. I did a video about Uniswap last night, and I did take one TP at it when it came really deep here, bounced a little bit, right? Took a singular TP because the price action here a little bit changed, as you can see, and then got stop break even. And yes, Uni at that point went towards structure wise towards a point where I would call it a point of failure, actually, right? So if you start closing under here, I would be really worried, right? And you can see it was yet again a couple of weeks, nothing too much, and didn't get a single closure under there. But still, if I was holding that position, I would now be selling at least 50% of it, right? I would be selling at least 50% of my holding position, just because the thing is, even though you didn't close under there, you went so deep, I'm not feeling safe, right? I'm definitely not feeling safe. So if anybody of you are holding, for me personally, I would be selling at least 50% of that position due to safety, right? I don't want to be too much exposed on the markets that go too deep. Especially right now, part of the thing why this might have happened last night is because Ethereum and Bitcoin went again into the dangerous area for like the fifth time this month. So they're not giving us any breathers at all. Ethereum at this time is still in the area, right? It still hasn't saved itself from it. But yeah, we definitely need to move out of there as quickly as we can for the health of the alts, obviously, right? Yeah. So this area that we did last night still stands. This is still a really important area, and right now it's being even more important. It's because you kind of, as you can see, you kind of created these two structures around the area, right? So essentially what you want to be seeing right now is to get that position back, right? So let's just say, right, for logical speaking right now, you sold 50% of this position. How do you actually get it back into it, right? So yes, for me right now, I would like to see it to go all the way up here. All the way up here. Now the real question then is, if you move all the way up here, how far are you gonna pump from this, right? Because if you just start moving and you move outside of the box, I would be refilling the box on the way back. If you move and you just touch the top of the box, I would be refilling the lower side of the box yet again, right? So you can see my 50% that I've sold here right now would have been refilled almost in the same position, but with a different set of structure. Or in the best case scenario, I do this first case that we draw is actually the best case scenario. We're gonna be filling it up here, and the reason for that being the best case is because it's a lot more safer as well, and it gives you plenty of confirmations than the second case. So yes, you do want to hunt for the first one, right? After that happens, I am going to target this high right here. And that would pretty much be it for the first profit target, and then you just follow it with the stop loss no matter where it goes, right? But we can also consider one fact, that if the Ethereum starts failing, or in this case Bitcoin, or maybe this time around they don't need to fail, maybe people will just sell and we won't actually make this, what I've just drawn here, right? I guess we also have another possible scenario, right? Just located down here. It's a quite fresh scenario, and in this case, again, the profit target is going to be quite close, the first one at least, and we can draw a long here, long positioning. The stop loss is going to be located down here. Oh shit, the stop loss is going to be like 16%. Oh my god, a little bit more even, actually. I see multiple opportunities for stop loss now, but I'm afraid to put it any higher. So yes, I'm gonna say, like, you could have put stop loss all the way to up here. I would not do that because I do think that is a little bit too tight. I do think that is gonna be a little bit too tight, and if you're gonna get a drop like this again, you're gonna get stopped before it goes up to first profit target. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna put stop loss just below this candle, but I won't target the whole low because I see the sense of it, right? If I target the whole low here, I already have another trade here, right? So if I target my stop loss around here, I could already be almost filling my second trade, so that I see that if I put it down here, it doesn't actually make sense where I first wanted to put it. but I will put it here, right? Because here is totally sensible stop loss, and it still leaves me with some room before the second position can be filled. So yes, targeting the first profit target is going to be quite on this first resistance, first trouble area, or how you would name it, right here, and it's going to be about 1.4 R and about 21% movement on the chart. Beyond that, again, if it starts failing at this point right here, I would almost sell most of one position again, right? So it's a little bit of a turnaround. But if it doesn't start failing and starts breaking through, then the position wise or TP wise is going to be the same as here, right? So the second TP would then be in this circle that we would naturally be buying, right? And the third TP, as I can say, I will target this high at all, right? And then obviously if it comes all the way back down here, there's going to be plenty of opportunities to refill the positions, or should I say the refill on the TPs we've already taken, right, in the future, because obviously there will be a set of structure being created in that manner, right? Yeah, I mean, definitely Uni, it's been airdropped to a lot of wallets for free, all of that, right? So I don't, so it is quite dangerous to play coin like this sometimes, right? Because when you kind of have these dangerous areas on Bitcoin or Ethereum, like when you're hanging by a thread, coins like this tend to be dumped way more because people obtain their coins, you know, in a free manner, right? And something that is free, it's quite more easily be dumpable than something that you have bought on certain price and now you're down and you want to kind of get out of break even, right? So yeah, it is quite troublesome in those times. But let's hope something plays out, right? This trade down here is a safe trade. I will definitely be taking this trade. This trade, like I said, this second scenario I will probably not be taking, but the first scenario I would be taking, right? So that's kind of my plan for now. And yes, I would at the moment, like I said, sell 50% because I don't want to be stuck with this investment if it goes under this, right? And yes, stop loss for this, if you currently invested here, stop loss under this could be really effective, right? Essentially. So yes, guys, please, again, I'm gonna tell you, if you can subscribe to our channel, punch that notification button, right? And also join us at 4C community where we you know, discuss these trades, discuss stop losses, analyze Bitcoins, analyze Ethereum, all of that almost every single day. And yeah, I guess we will be seeing each other in the new one.